All right, we got this MILLTRONICS VM2515 for sale. It's a 3-axis machining center. It's prepped for 4th axis. You'll have to get the rotary for that. It's got 20 tools. It's 10,000 RPM spindle. It's got Cat 40 in the spindle. It's got a part probe and a tool probe. Travels are 25 in the X, 15 in the Y. And it's got the 9000 series control. It has the conversational programming and chip boss. Let's walk around the machine so you can take a look at it. Got a chip auger. Machine has really low hours. That's a little over 1,500 hours power up time, so the spindle time is much lower than that. Got the MPG hand wheel, keyboard, washdown gun. All right, we're gonna run this MILLTRONICS VM2515 for you. Just kind of hand wheel jog. Do a tool change. We'll go ahead and set a tool. We'll run the spindle for you. Let's do speed 1500. This is 5,000. $7,500. $9,000 RPM.